I, Tapashaya Sharma of class 6C, is here to recite a short poem. And the title of my poem is Where the Mind is Without Fear by Rabindranath Tagore. Where the mind is without fear and head is held high. Where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls. Where the world comes out from the depth of truth, where timeless striving stretches its arm towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever widening thoughts and actions, where